What's going on, guys? Today we're creating the most requested look ever, and that's the Orange and Teal filter. Here are some before and afters using this filter. As always, the Orange and Teal sample filter is available for free on our website, so go to the description below and go check it out. Also, remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future Lightroom tutorials. Now, with all that out of the way, it's time to go editing, so fire up your Lightroom mobile app. Alright, we start on the light page once again and we'll decrease the exposure by minus 0.13. Next, we'll increase our contrast by plus 17. We'll decrease our highlights to minus 40. We increase the shadows to plus 27. We increase the whites to plus 10. And lastly, we increase the blacks to plus 40. Alright, next we go over to the color tab and we increase the temperature slider to plus 25. The tint remains the same, but we boost the vibrance to plus 50. And we decrease the saturation to minus 15. Next we go over to the color mix tab and we increase the hue to plus 16. And we decrease the saturation to minus 15. Next, on the orange sliders, we decrease the hue to minus 16. We increase the saturation to plus 35. And we decrease the luminance to minus 15. Next, on the yellow tab, we'll decrease the hue drastically to minus 79. We increase the saturation to plus 30. And we increase the luminance to minus 15. Next, on the green tab, we'll decrease the hue even more to minus 90. Then we'll decrease the saturation to minus 49. And we decrease the luminance to minus 24. On the cyan tab, we'll boost the hue to plus 36, giving it that nice cyan look. We decrease the saturation to minus 50. And we increase the luminance to plus 30. Next we go over to the blue tab and we decrease the hue to minus 75. We increase the saturation to plus 25. And we decrease the luminance to minus 26. Alrighty, so that was it for the color mix tab. Next, go over to your main menu and check out your beautiful self-created filter. Here are some before and afters using this filter. Pretty sweet. Works perfectly on your summer shots from Ibiza or wherever you're going, whatever. That will do it for this video. Hopefully you learned something. If it did, like this video so more people can learn something just like you did. And subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our future videos. If you have any suggestions for filters that you want us to make, leave them down in the comments below and we'll catch each other on the next video. Ciao!